Hey, what's up, y'all? It's me, your girl, annoying as DiDi. Alright, y'all, so today we are going to work out. We're going to be doing the 60, 60, 60, 60, 60, 60 challenge. Meaning we're going to be doing 60 jumping jacks, 60 squats, 60 push-ups, 60 crunches. Did I say 60 jumping jacks? And whatever else that comes to mind. We got to make sure that we're going to be doing 60. We're doing 60 increments of each workout, alright? So come on. I know your fat ass has been stuffing your faces all season long. I shouldn't call y'all fat, but you know, we've been grubbing, stuffing our faces with turkey, ham, roast beef, whatever you want to call it. That's what we've been stuffing our mouths with. Even you vegans, I know y'all been out there stuffing your mouths with tofu and cauliflower and all that other good stuff. So come on, let's get into it. Ow!
Ready?
Alright, y'all. So we gonna start it with 60 jumping jacks. Y'all ready? Go get your drink, go get your towel, whatever you need. We're finna get into it. Y'all ready? 1, 2, 1, 60 squats. You ready?
1,
2, 1, 2. sets of 15.
15?
We're gonna do 4 sets of 15. Woo! So if you're having a hard time getting to that 60, what you want to do is go ahead and do them in batches, alright? So right now we have batch 1 at 15. We're gonna get to the next one at 15 again. We're gonna do that until we get to 60. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2. Keep yourself at ease. Let me catch my breath. Alright, y'all, so let's get it. We got 2 more 15s to do. And then we're gonna get to the sit-ups. I think sit-ups are my favorite. Alright. 1, 2, 1, 2. Stress yourself out. 5 more. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1 more. Woo! All right, y'all. So we're gonna do some bicycle crunches. Alright? So what I want to do is, I want to breathe. And what I want to do is, I want to breathe with my stomach all the way. I want to touch my back. We're going to do that 60 times. For a few seconds. Hold it for 10 seconds. bicycle crunches. So what's gonna happen is we're gonna touch our elbows to our knees, our right elbow to our left knee, our left elbow to our right knee, and once both elbows touch each knee, that's gonna count as one. Y'all ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15, 16, start to do it. 17, 18, 19, 20, 9, 10.
Look, I see.
You can't get up. Woo! You smell see me. Okay, let me get my glass. Alright, y'all. Y'all been sweating. You stinky. It's time for us to go ahead and go take a shower. Have a salad, have something light, have something that's gonna hold you over for the next 3 to 4 hours, you know what I'm saying? If you find yourself hungry after 2 hours of eating, that's not something that you should be eating. I'm so happy I did this workout. I feel really good. I feel really airy inside. Whew. I don't feel all clogged up. You know what I'm saying? You know how you feel just stuffy in the inside after a good workout and after sweating and after getting your blood running and flowing, your heart racing. You know, if you feel good, you feel so good, you feel light. So we want to keep that feeling going into 2024, right? So if you need to come back to this video to get a workout in, get your 60, 60, 60 in, you know, because we're working out those 6 protons, 6 neutrons, and 6 electrons within us, all right? And I hope you guys enjoyed
as much as I enjoy making it. And until next time, baby, it's your girl, annoying as DiDi.